that's a fish on the Keitech swim bait. Come on. Come on, buddy. All right. I do not know how that hook got in your mouth like that. Let's see if we can get it out. There we go. Alright, look at that. Nice and dark colors right there. Good fish. Good swim bait fish. See you later, buddy. Alright. That was pretty awesome. That's fish. Oh, he threw it. Darn it. This looks pretty deep right over here. That's interesting. Oh, that's funny. There's a fish there. Come on, Mother Nature. What are you doing? Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off and put it in my pocket for now. Alright, rain started to calm down, so let's see if we can get some more filming in here. There's one. Pretty sure I got it this time. No! Ah! Seriously, what do I need to do to get a good hook set on these guys? Got that one. Oh, no, you don't. Come on. There he is. All right. Finally landed the second one. There we go. All right. That guy. The colors on these fish here are amazing. Love it. See you later, buddy. All right. munching over there if I can get him. Got him. Nice. Got you. Haha. See you later, buddy. This really isn't much farther from where I was before, so I don't know if it's going to produce or not. There we go. Ooh, what was I saying? Alright. Nice little guy. Why weren't you over there earlier? Seriously. One over there too. Or it could be the same one that was just splashing over there. Got him! On the frog. Nice. Oh, you are a greedy little fish, aren't you? Both hooks. Wow. Look at that. Nice. Oh, he's blind in one eye too. Awesome. Not really the size you expect on a frog like that, but I'll take it. See you later, buddy. Let's bite. Bastard. Actually, you're a pretty good size. Oh, here we go. Another fish on my swim bait. Broke my swim bait. You broke it. Ooh. You be careful there. I almost dropped you. All right. See you later, buddy. There's one. It's a little sunfish. Yep. Green sunfish. almost in a bad place. Not quite. So I'm going to see if I can get it out without injuring him. There we go. You got kind of lucky on that one, buddy. There we go. Not bad. Rather get a bass, but these guys are fun to catch too. That would be the green sunfish there. You can see the orange on the fins. And kind of the, this one you can't see it as much, but they have the blue lines on the gill plate there. See you later, buddy. Could be differentiated from bluegill by their larger mouth. They're significantly larger mouth. Bluegill's mouth is pretty small. Must be where all the green sunfish hang out. Oh, see you later, buddy. Get out of there. Get out of there. Go on. There's a fish. This feels like a bass. Yep. Interesting that he went for the drop shot and not the swim bait. For this one, and I got junk on my rod again. Way to go, buddy. Man. Alright, how do I get this out? There we go. Alright, there's a good look at him. About normal size for this place, it seems. See you later, buddy. Oh, there's a turtle. It's a big old snapping turtle. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Go on. You're good. I'm not gonna bother you. Don't snap me. There you go. Yeah. Alright, that's gonna do it, I think. First time throwing the swim bait. Caught quite a good number of fish on it and got quite a few bites on it otherwise. It's quite a bit of confidence in that for me. Got one on the frog and a few on the drop shot. All in all, pretty good day.